my channel. So as you can see from the background, I have moved into a new home. So I just wanted to update you guys before I started putting videos out and putting content out. I just wanted to update you guys on all the things that have been happening to me so far since the last time that you saw me. And everything is pretty much going just the way that I have planned. Like, I have been seeing numbers like 444, 111. Like, I've been seeing a lot of numbers that I really haven't seen like in my whole life growing up. When I talk to my grandmother about it, she's like, you're in the right direction. The angels are, you know, letting you know that you're on the right path. So that's like a reassurance for me that I'm, you know, doing what I'm supposed to do and I'm in the right direction. And especially my family and mostly my friends really wanted me to tap back into, you know, my makeup and pretty much get back in tune with the things that I love to do, which is makeup, of course, and talking to you guys and, you know, just putting content out there that, you know, other YouTubers and, you know, my audience can relate to. Everything is really good. I just wanted to let everyone know that, you know, it's going to be more content on my channel. I know I took a brief hiatus from my channel, but I feel like the key to having a good channel is basically consistency. And there was a point that I was consistent around the time that I gave birth to my son, and I fell off. And I think that, you know, I'm not the only YouTuber that has gotten to that point where they either fell off or they were, you know, inconsistent. But I just want to tap back into, you know, why I even started YouTube in the first place, and that was, you know, doing makeup and doing little relationship and life, you know, videos and stuff. I do want to start vlogging, especially since I'm in a new relationship. I feel like I'm, you know, getting out the house more because I'm really a big homebody. I usually be in a house like 24/7, and I just noticed how outgoing I am becoming, going places, having fun, trying new things. So I definitely want to start vlogging so I can take you guys on a bit of a journey of what I've been up to and the people that I've been around lately. Things are a little tough sometimes because some of my close friends are still where I used to live, but I do see them once in a while because it's always good to have your girls. It's always good to have girl time, girl talk. So I definitely, you know, check in with my friends. They come and see me. So, you know, it's just not having them there all the time is a different, you know, it's a different wave for me. You know, I don't see them like I usually do, but when I do see them, it's like we never missed a beat. Like we're still clicking just like that. I also wanted to let you guys know that I was starting the monthly Ipsy videos, and I wanted to let you guys know that I will be tapping back into that because, like I said, I love Ipsy makeup, and it's just in a way for me to get makeup, and that's affordable for me. With Ipsy, I get the glam bag, but I get the $12 a month one because, you know, I'm not always, you know, wearing makeup, and I just feel like why sit here and pay so much for big bottles that are just gonna, you know, expire and, you know, get all, you know, oily and whatever happens to makeup once you just let it sit around. Ipsy helps me manage my money, but also give me the high quality makeup in sample sizes that I can use. I'm like, who texted me? I will be showing you guys some of the new makeup that I've been using. I actually am in love with this eyeshadow that I'm wearing today. It came in one of my Ipsy bags, and this is Dido Galaxy shade. It looks so glittery. It's really pigmented. Like, I don't have to pack too much on my face. So I just wanted to put that out there that this right here is magical. I love it so much. I pretty much love social media. I love sharing my relationship with social media, but I've just noticed that when you keep social media out of your relationship and you just focus on your life and your relationship, everything is a whole lot better. So I really don't post on social media as much as I used to, you know, as when it comes to like pictures and videos and everything. I pretty much spend a lot of my time with my son or with my boyfriend. In this new relationship, I'm just getting to know myself better, and I have someone that's, you know, pretty much helping me see a different insight on life, and it's healthy for me. if you ever find yourself in a relationship where they're pushing you to, you know, continue to do what makes you happy, then I say stay with that person, because I feel like he wanted me to pursue my makeup. He said, you know, jump back into that and, you know, continue to do what you love to do. I just think it's, you know, I think it's very important. I'm very happy to have someone, you know, by my side that's willing to, you know, encourage me and be there for me, you know, for my dreams and my aspirations and all the things that I want to do with my life. And same goes for me. I will always be there to inspire him and to pretty much be by his side and, you know, encourage him to reach for his dreams as well. I definitely want to tap back into what I love to do, and that's makeup. If you guys have any ideas of any kind of videos you want me to do, please let me know in the description box, in the comment section below. So when I was doing my makeup before the video, I just felt like, you know, I was home again, because I love, you know, doing my makeup. I love being, you know, creative and doing fun things. I'm really into seeing how vlogging goes, because I personally love my personality. Like, I'm so goofy, I'm so silly, and I just feel like me vlogging and seeing the inside of my life, you guys would just, you know, pretty much be like, I really love her channel, you know, just putting out content that I know people would pretty much like. I'm here to tell you that we're tapping back, you know, tap, tap, tap. Bring a little bit of different vibe to my channel, not just about makeup, but more about, you know, story time. I'm definitely going to do that too. I'm definitely going to stick to my story time. I have so much story times that I've written down that I want to share with you guys, so I know you guys are going to love them so much. Peep my LED lights. I always wanted LED lights, don't get it twisted. I've always wanted LED lights, but I've never had time to really be like,
okay, let me order this, and then I'm gonna order that, and then I'm gonna order this.
Like, these are things that I wanted to do. So it's very inspiring. I do have to get some more makeup, because I wanted to do a makeup tutorial today, but my concealer is actually super cakey. Not cool. I look forward to putting it out, and I can't wait for you guys to see all the things that I have set for my channel. All the people that have been watching me, I really do appreciate it. I really do. I appreciate it so much. And you know, I'm hoping, you know, this time next year I will be, you know, on a different level when it comes to being a YouTuber. I just told myself the other day, it's time to get up off my ass. It's time to start putting out content. It's time to start, you know, doing things that I want to do. It's instilled in me. Like, I love doing makeup. I've been doing makeup. Like, most of the things that I've learned from makeup, I've learned from other YouTubers, you know. The two most frequent YouTubers that really inspired me in my life when I first started doing makeup is Time the Infamous and Nicole Guerrera. When I first ordered Shaneeka Cosmetics, it was because of Time the Infamous. And when I got into wanting to do Halloween makeup tutorials, it was because of Nicole Guerrera. She is amazing with her videos when it comes to Halloween. Her videos altogether are amazing, but when it comes to like Halloween, like, she's really the GOAT. Like, I hand it to her. I see a lot of things in my future. I see a lot of good things coming my way, and I just want to share those things with you guys. I'm ready to get back to work and pretty much just, you know, do what I love to do, and that's makeup. I'm hoping to do a makeup tutorial, or I might do a story time tomorrow. I don't know. Let me know what I should do, a story time or a makeup tutorial. But I'm going to do one of them, you know, or I could do a story time while I'm doing my makeup. All my equipment and everything is being set up. Like, my boyfriend pretty much, you know, he sees a vision for my dream as well. So I pretty much have been have everything set up for, you know, my YouTube and, you know, backdrops and all of that. So all of that's going to be coming soon. Like, I'm gonna have a whole bunch of stuff for my channel, and I'm so excited to, you know, be moving up on a different level as opposed to like regular you know, backgrounds and stuff. I really want to tap into my creative side. So for those of you that have been rocking with me for as long as you have, get ready, because it's coming. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.